This is how to make your very own Minecraft vanilla server. This is completely easy. You just need to listen to all the directions given in the video. Now, if you do not like my voice, it's fine to mute me. I will display the instructions right here, but private information will be blacked out. So please try not to steal my private information. This stuff only works if you have the full version of Minecraft. And please listen to these instructions. So, without further ado, let's begin. So the first thing you need to do before you get any of this stuff, to make sure things are even easier, load up your browser. I'll be right back and load up mine. Oh, but after you load up your browser, you have to type in, and this is for Mac. This is how to make your Minecraft vanilla server for Mac. But I will put one for Windows. It's extremely similar. First thing you need to do is this is a home hosted, so this is completely free. But press your Wi-Fi, press open network preferences. And sorry about that, I just have to type in like nothing. This should be what you should type into your browser. So that's what I will do. But the only thing you need to do, because it's a little different. Some people have this or something, but I have this. So I changed this to the correct format by putting a 1 at the end. And same thing with anything else. Some people have this. I've seen people with IP addresses like that. So you have to put in the first 3 numbers as given. Because this is the port it's connecting to, I believe. Now the port is always listed at the end is. But this is what you need to change. So to 0.1. Because 0.1 is the beginning usually for all of these, or sometimes people have it like this, and it's totally fine. So I'll be right back and open my browser. So here it is. Now this is a little difficult, and I'll be right back. The admin tool login. I have Xfinity Wi-Fi, which isn't the best, to be honest. I'll be completely frank. Try to get something like Linksys. I think that's how you pronounce it, because I'm not good at pronouncing this stuff. Linksys is pretty reliable. Netgear is too. I mean, what else? There's a lot. And now, all you gotta do, your username is usually always admin or username. And password can also be admin. It can even be password. Let's see if password works. And it does. You are using a default password. Would you like to change it? I'm going to keep that as a no for now. So, %, internet, Wi-Fi. Yeah, that's a little, don't worry. Get advanced. It might be different for yours. And sometimes it'll say something different. Try to look, I think it's port forwarding, if I'm not mistaken. And you can always press add service. And this is one where you look at all of your services. Wait, let me go back to advanced, make sure all my servers are still up. Okay, they're not up, it's weird. But anyways, just press other. This is Minecraft server, so you're gonna put on Minecraft server vanilla. You don't have to put the vanilla, this can be completely random. This one cannot. This has to be TCP/UDP unless you completely know whatever service type you are using. But Minecraft can use both. I've seen it like that. So first thing you need to do is server IP address. This one is completely important. You gotta look, like I said, back at your Wi-Fi, open network preferences, and I already did. I know what mine is. And the IPv6 address you can find here. So I'll be right back and find mine because mine is quite private. Remember, you don't have to put your IPv6 address, so don't worry about that. This stuff is completely important. The start port and the end port. They always, or most of the time, have to be the same. There's all this stuff which I am blacking out so you cannot see. So try not to look. Select the one which has yours. 10.0.0.164 is mine. Press add. And now type in 25565, but I already have one like that, so I'm going to type in 19000. It can be any port as long as it's not being used by another service. Press save. This may take several seconds. And immediately you do have your Minecraft server up. So that part was pretty simple. But there's more things you need to do. Go to minecraft.net. Download it here. You'll need download Minecraft Server 1. This one is for Mac, I believe. So yeah, it is. So yeah, this Mac and Linux. So right now, sorry about my dogs. I'll be right back and try to calm them down. So download those files. That's all you need to do. And I'll be right back and show you the next step. Here, let me just open my Coke. Yeah, you're like, oh, this kid drinks Coke. He's like so bad. Yeah, I haven't had it in quite a while actually. So, anyways, this is the code you're supposed to use. I will post it in the description below. But there are a few things you need to do before that. No, not noggin, you freaking autocorrect. This is basically the directory name because it says dirname, which usually means directory name. Yeah, no one really cares because you already have to. Okay, yeah. Rename your Minecraft jar file to Minecraft_server.jar. This is 100% important. Otherwise, you will not be able to run your own server. Also, if this helped, it's not done yet though, so I'm gonna have to wait. But also, just in case you really love this tutorial and found it impressive, me on your server. Let's do it, man. I mean, I'm the one who made it. Kinda helped you-ish if you used it. This is my Minecraft username, and try not to hack it. So yeah. After this, you gotta just make a new text file and copy that it can. Press new. Do that, and you see it's right there. But there's one thing you need to do. It's not gonna save the regular. Just gonna save as a regular rich text file, which is an RTF. The thing you need to do for this, sorry for the delay, but format, wrap the page. Just kidding, you don't actually have to do that. Oops. Wrap to window. Oops. Kinda accidentally failed. You have to do make plain text. This thing will come up. You're obviously gonna have to press OK, otherwise you're not gonna be able to save it as a .command file. So tell me when you're ready. Oops, I got the hiccups. Stupid diaphragm. Go to file and save, and make sure you save as this. And clearly as this. Run dot command or anything dot command. Make sure there's no space in between. I'll just show you so that way it won't be like all jumbled like this. But it has to be dot. And I will be making automatic server launcher, and I will publish it in Mediafire for you. I'm going to make this with AppleScript, so it's only going to be able to use on Mac only. I'm so sorry I have a Mac, but I actually got it for my birthday a few years ago, so yeah. Anyways, today is November 27, 2014. Yeah, I know you're happy. I know you're happy. So after you save it as run.command, I'm not going to actually do the steps, but I will show you one of my servers that's online right now. So I can join it whenever I want. It's called FNAF server, because I liked Five Nights at Freddy's. And just in case you want me to play it, Hunger Crafters, yeah, I'll play it. If you say play Five Nights at Freddy's in the description below, I will download it. And even if I get 100 subs, I'll make my own Five Nights at Freddy's 2D video game on, but it's not gonna be on Mac. Sorry about that, fools. Just kidding, you guys are not fools for watching this. I'm just, you know, delaying this a bit because you guys really want to skip this part. What did I just do? The frick? The freak? And whatever. Anyways, what you have to do is during .command, oops, yeah. So put this in your server directory, then run it. Usually, it will say will take a few tries before you actually get it to run completely. You need to set EULA to true, and if you can read, you want to read it. It basically says you can't charge money for certain things or commands, I think, or I believe. That's what my friend told me. At least he might be wrong, so I might just look it up just in case. Because if you set it to true, you're not going to be able to do the stuff, and you can be charged or sued or fined or something. Yep, my friend didn't get fined though. He was so lucky. I remember in the old days when Minecraft didn't have that stupid EULA. That's how we make money, guys. That's how we make money. Just kidding. Okay. So set EULA to true. And yeah. And now there's also one more thing you need to do, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay guys, I think we're back. Okay. So this thing is called server.properties. Double click it and open it with text edit. Nothing else, or Notepad if you have that, or Notepad++. I don't care, anything that can edit text Wrangler, I don't care. So you see, this is the only thing you need to edit. Server port, change that to 19,000 or whatever your server port was that you inputted, and you will obviously be able to connect to your server. And I'll show I can connect to my server. This is my MOTD, and I made it colored, but I won't show you how to do that. You can look it online. It's super simple. Put max players to 10, just not to cause too much lag. Because, to be honest, you can't hold more than 30 players on your server without a bunch of RAM. Default players you can hold on your server is 15. If you have a crappy laptop, 5. If you have a super crappy laptop, 2. Because 2 is the least amount of players you're going to have on a server. Or 1, or 0, just in case yours has been abandoned. And the level server IP thing, server IP thing can be filled out as what you have here. So mine's .6 blah 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 164. But I don't need to put that because it will automatically connect to it no matter what, since I am hosting it from my computer. If I'm hosting it from another device and I want it to connect to this, then yeah, then I'm going to have to connect to what's my default IP on that device. And when I'm talking about it, you probably want to understand, don't even fill it out in the first place if you think you're going to mess something up. Spawn NPC just means like villagers that don't do anything except for trade. Op permission level, I don't care about that. Generator settings, you don't want to mess around with that. I don't even know how to use it. Enable command block, yes, definitely, if you're going to do a vanilla server. Player idle timeout, I mean, even if you want to, I mean, I don't really care. That makes more players on my server, but they're AFK. Whoopee! Whoopee? Huh? How do you pronounce it? Okay, whatever. Snooper enabled true. Just put that just in case you want to see your Minecraft stats. Hardcore is false because that's just stupid. Why? Ultra hardcore. You don't have that these days. Okay, and yeah. So that's the Minecraft server properties, and you can even add your own comment by saying, "Hi, I'm stupid." And there. I mean, I'm just gonna delete that, but you won't mess anything up. This is the last time has been modified, which is like, that was 118, and now that's like, wow. And now the resource pack, you're gonna have to put the default URL. You can't put like the media file URL. Yeah, it's kind of stupid. I wish you could do that. Online mode is the most important. If you want to put your server to LAN, which is Land Area Network, I believe so. That means only anyone with your IP address or with your Wi-Fi who's using your Wi-Fi can join. Then put it to false. And if you do that, Hypixel can join your server if you use the cracked client and named yourself Hypixel. Who cares, man? Cracked clients are illegal. 1.8.1, another EULA thingy. How do you pronounce EULA? Like EULA or EULA? Well, I know it's End User License Agreement, which means in the end when you download it, whatever, who cares? Okay. And I'm gonna put revert changes, like an introvert, like, no, who cares? Okay, so now just press run.command and I'll show you that I can join my own server. And guys, this is the server IP. I can only connect, or you can also do other stuff like a local host colon your port IP. You cannot, unless it's like 25565 as a port, you can only do just local host. But that's the quickest way to connect your server. And you can see mine is a Five Nights at Freddy's server. I have a Golden Freddy's skin just because I like Five Nights at Freddy's. I'm part of the fandom, even though I can't even play it myself. I can't even watch half the video, man. I don't know why. It's just been giving me like, I'm only like what, 14, 15. I mean, wow. Imagine all those 9-year-olds that can survive that. I'm like a wimp. Yeah, sorry about that. I cut off some part of the video so you didn't have to hear me talking, but as you can see, I was able to connect to my very own Minecraft server. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Sorry for all those delays of me talking and stuff. It kind of added like 5-10 minutes on to the video, so just skip that if you would like. And I know it's just at the end of the video, but please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends if it helped you. And for more M Creator, Five Nights at Freddy's, anything you want, just leave comment down below in the description. I'll be sure to check it anytime I come online. Thanks for watching, and peace out, guys.